This is very, very sloppy, but you take your time to do this. Maybe she can be doing something with her hands, I don't know. But kind of blends with the background, which it's okay because because as we said in earlier chapters, we want the composition to really focus on the important part, and the rest of the painting can kind of blend. So the main focus will be the one that really pops up. Okay, so now we are here, and you can if you want the circle to be like super solid, you can erase the edges with a texture brush. It's really up to you. Now the solid circle looks fine, but if you want to give it a more painterly look, you will have to erase the edges. You could do even fun things with it. No, some fun edges. Or not. It's really up to you. I like it like this. So now I'm gonna play with some adjustment layers. My favorite ever, it's the overlay. I usually do it with texture, but because of the tutorial I cannot just use any reference image, but that's fine. You can find them on Google if you type old paper texture. So I usually just get something around this tone, maybe, I don't know, like and I go to overlay. I love overlay. So I never leave it like at 100% because it looks funny, it looks too integrated, you know, it looks all yellow. And I want to keep that difference between shadows and lights. So maybe if I go much lighter, like this, 30% maybe. Yeah, that's good enough. I don't want it to really show. And that's how overlay, that's what overlay does. It kind of burns the whole image with the color that you chose. Like if you go more saturated, it will really burn it. If you make it less saturated, it will just lighten the image. But I really like the effect. You can even change the color of the overlay. It will give you different moods. This one looks pretty good too. So you have like this. I'll go somewhere there. Yeah, I like it better like this. And with the background, same, you can just colorize it. Maybe some complementary color to the hair, which is pink. So we can go either turquoise or green. I like to play with complementary colors a lot. So right now we have it like this. No, we have it like this. It looks all like, you know, the same tone. So I'm gonna colorize it. I think I like it green. I don't know, darker would work, even lighter. So much nice in this house. So I think I'll go somewhere there. And it matches the eyes very nicely. That's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna teach you another adjustment layer that I also like, which is lighten. And I'm gonna use a purple, dark, deep purple. I'm gonna put it underneath my overlay, and I'll go lighten. So what it does is that it will lighten all the colors that are darker than that tone. So anything darker than this deep purple, it's gonna become lighter. It's gonna become that color. So I can just change the opacity. So if you feel like your shadows are too harsh, your dark tones are too harsh, you can use this technique. You can go more saturated and lighter. No, but just want the shadows to become a little bit purple, but not that much. So I'll just lower the opacity. The change is very, very subtle, but it's there, you know. It integrates the shadows, all the dark shadows. They become purple. And some other tones like this area,